Hello and welcome. Extremely exciting topic today. We will use Python to live screen the whole crypto market. Yes, we are going to track the movement of every single coin traded on Binance. In this part, we are going to pull all coins traded on Binance, and we also set up a live stream to get live prices for all of those coins. In the next part, we will organize the data so that we can track all real-time movements. It is crucial that you like the video and comment on it so we can continue this series. Thanks a lot. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, I'm importing the client from the Python Binance library, and I'm also importing the Unicorn Binance WebSocket API library. That is just a convenient alternative to using WebSocket or the Binance Socket Manager. So that is simply handling the live price data pull from the Binance API. Then I'm instantiating the client, and the first thing I'm going to do with that is to pull all information from Binance using the get exchange info function. This will provide you a huge dictionary with a lot of very interesting and also relevant information, but for this video we only need the traded symbol or symbols, which are stored under the key symbols. So the first one here, as you see, is ETH in relation to Bitcoin. Now, as I'm only interested in the coins related to US dollar or the stable coin equivalent US dollar Theta, USDT, I will filter out all pairs which are not ending with USDT here. So this one would drop out. Now, first of all, I have to pull out only the symbols from this huge dictionary. And I simply use a list comprehension for that. So what I'm going to do is to loop. So you see I symbol, that is simply this one here. So in the first iteration, I would get ETH BTC. For I in info symbols, so info is our dictionary, so I'm accessing this one here to get to this one. If I symbol, so I symbol is in the first iteration ETH BTC again, ends with USDT, so this one would be filtered out. So if I'm executing that, you will see I'm getting all pairs traded on Binance in relation to the US dollar Theta. So let's check out how many we actually got here. So you see 454 coins here. Now every symbol, as you saw, is written in capital letters, right? You saw that here. For the Unicorn library, we need to use lowercase letters. So I'm looping over that list again and make those letters lowercase here. So how am I doing that? Simply using the string method lower on all of those symbols in this list. So with that, as you see, I'm getting lowercase letters. Then I'm setting up the Unicorn Binance live stream. So this here is simply copy paste from the Unicorn library documentation. And this is setting up a live stream, in specific a candlestick or K-line live stream. So as you see, UBWH is just connecting to Binance. And then this is creating a stream, in specific a K-line stream on 1 minute granular data. And then I'm passing our symbols list here. And this output here is simply making the output more convenient to read. So if I'm executing that, I've set up a 1 minute K-line stream. And to get data from this stream, I'm using the pop stream data from stream buffer function here from the Unicorn library and assign that to data to take a look at how this is looking like. So in this case, we are not getting any data. Happens. So we have to tackle that later on so that we also getting empty data ticks from the stream. So we need to have kind of a error handling or a non-data flowing in handling here. But if I'm just executing that again, you will see that I'm getting in quotation mark real data ticks. So here I'm getting IMX USDT values. So you see I'm getting some information like symbol, then event time, so when this data was flowing in, then some information like open, close, high. So the close is the actual real-time price. So in this case, the candle of that coin isn't closed yet. So is close is false here. So this is an intra-candle movement. So this close price is not the close of the candle, but the real-time close price of the coin. And now to just get all symbols, we're just continuously popping stream data from this stream. And that's very straightforward. You're just creating an endless loop to pull continuous data from this stream. That's what I'm doing here. So I'm simply setting up an endless loop while true. Then I'm defining data by popping data from the stream and then printing out data, right? So if I'm doing that, I'm getting a lot of data flowing in. So you have to imagine, as we saw, 454 coins, and we are getting live prices for all those coins. So you already see this huge amount of data flowing in those 2 seconds. This stream is alive, and this is getting really, really big, really, really fast. So you got to be a bit careful here, as the print output will be very huge in a short amount of time. So that's already the data pulling part, and the next part is going to be extremely interesting because we are organizing this whole live data stream so that we can extract valuable real-time information out of that. So again, hit like, comment, and I'm already looking forward. I'm excited to see you in the upcoming video. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.